Day 10 of the 10 days of deals. It's going to be two great deals. 20% off on all Icon 56 and 73-inch roll cabs, and the Icon bundle deal that will include the G2 Flex locking ratchet and your choice of SAE or metric professional deep sockets for $69.99, saving $44, which comes to 38% off. And these deals are going to be on Sunday, July 26th. So here is the G2 14-inch locking flex ratchet. This retails for $70. This is what they showed in the cart of clues. It's a 14-inch long ratchet. Here's the back of the package with the specs on it. And then here's the SAE professional deep sockets in the 3/8 drive, 12 pieces, no skips. It ranges from a 1/4 inch up to 7/8 of an inch. It does come with a plastic tray, so you could just take them out in the tray and put them right into your box like that, and they'll be nicely organized. And these sockets retail for $45. And here is the metric set, 12-piece set, no skips. Again, that's ranging from 8mm to 19mm. Again, it has a plastic insert for your toolbox. Keep them organized. So this is the bundled deal right here for $70, saving $44. It is essentially getting the sockets for free. I think it's an excellent deal. Might be a good time to pick up a set. And it is going to be a limit of one. I imagine the metric will go quick. All right, and now the deal that many people have been waiting for is a deal on actual Icon roll cabs where you can save 20% off on them. It would be the time to get them. And if you recall, in my initial 10 days of deals video where I had a hunch where the guy was brushing up against the Icon box at the store, might have been a clue as far as a deal coming up on the Icon boxes. I'll play that clip here. Now this next item might be a stretch. It might be a clue though. From the card of clues, the guy did kind of touch the Icon box. So it's only pure speculation that there might be a deal on tool storage solutions. So we'll have to see. It was just kind of odd how he brushed up against the Icon box. And I think that might be intentional. So again, we'll have to see what they do as far as the 10 days of deals go, and I will definitely cover them. All right, so in the store, they only have the display of the 56-inch box, which retails for $2,500. The 73-inch retails for $3,000. So on the 56-inch, you will be able to save $500 on the box. And it is only going to be a deal on the roll cabs, not the additional accessories that they sell, like the end cabinets or the hutches. It's going to be on the roll cab specifically. And for the 73-inch box, it's going to be priced at $2,400 after the 20% off. All right, so I'll show the features of the 56-inch box. And I tell you what, it is certainly nice. Almost practically fully extending drawers. Might be an inch. With almost fully extending drawer, it recesses about just over an inch, about 1.5 inches or so. So you get access to the full depth of the drawer nice and easy. And the drawer depth is 22 inches, and the internal width of the drawer is 50.25 inches, just a little bit above that. And the second drawer down, they show it equipped with the wrenches. That would be nice and flat because this is a shallow drawer at basically 2.5 inches deep. Same thing goes with the third drawer down, which is going to be a little bit even shallower, about 1.5 inches deep. So each of these casters are rated at 2,000 pounds each. So you have a max capacity of 8,000 pounds on these boxes. And that would also include if you equipped it with the side locker or the side drawers. So it has a great capacity. The roll cabs do not include the stainless steel top. That's going to be a separate accessory. It's priced at $250. The thing I didn't know about Icon toolboxes is that they actually come with a lifetime warranty. One thing that's unique to the Icon box, it has 2 plugs on the front as well as 2 USB ports for charging. It also has a charging drawer, just like the US General boxes have. So you have a total of 6 plugs there on the side, as well as another 2 USB ports, so you can charge other devices with those. In the bottom drawer is a power tool drawer, as they show it with some Hercules tools as well as an air tool, so you can keep those tools organized. The power tool drawer has 2 sliders on each side, and there's also 2 sliders on the top drawer box. And here's the specs on the 73-inch roll cab. It's available in 4 different colors of the green, blue, red, and black, which is the same as the 56-inch one. This is the total amount of storage of 33,874 cubic inches for the 73. And here's the specs on the 56-inch roll cab with 12 drawers, 8,000 pound capacity, and 26,542 cubic inches of storage space. And those dual slides are rated at 265 pounds per pair. So here's other features that the Icon box comes with. So with the power tool drawer, it comes with the 6 adjustable height holsters. It also includes adjustable force drawer latches and a writing tray. And then here's more details about the adjustable extension drawer slides. So you're able to control the resistance needed to open your drawers, and it has 6 different settings that are at the ends right here. So that's definitely a unique item to the Icon lineup versus the US General ones. And here is a closer look at the caster. So this one is the swivel one that does lock in place. So you got 2 swivels on the one end, and then the other end are fixed casters. Now, if you happen to not have a Harbor Freight credit card yet, you could sign up for one, and on your first purchase, you could save 10% off on your entire first purchase. So this 10% off will stack with the 20% off deal, which I've heard from some of you guys in the past that this has actually worked, and it's a separate deal actually. So it's a great opportunity if you don't have a Harbor Freight credit card already. Obviously, you just go pay it off after putting on the credit card. I'm not advocating going into debt over a toolbox, but you can have additional savings on it. So you would be saving a total of 30% off on the 56-inch as the example. That would bring it down to $1,750, saving the 30%. And for the 72-inch box, that would bring it down to $2,100. So you'd save a total of $900, saving the 30%. And I imagine they're doing this deal on the Icon boxes specifically because they will be coming out with a new G2 series, either the later part of the year or beginning of next year. So they will have to clear out the G1 series. And another feature with the Icon toolboxes that they do have free delivery. So it'll go right to your door versus US General, you have to go pick it up. And if you're going to be going for the Icon box, what I'd recommend, if you're going to be expanding the box with like an end locker or the in cabinet as far as the other drawers and hutches, always wait for a deal on the 15 to 20% off of one item deal. That's when you go back in, you can get 15 or 20% off on the end locker or the hutch or any of the other items. That's when the time to get those are, because they never have deals on these individually. If they do, it's very rare. All right, that's going to be it for day 10 of the 10 days of deals, Sunday, July 26th. So 20% off on the Icon boxes and $69.99 for the bundled deal for the G2 Ratchet and sockets. Let me know down in the comments below if you're going to go for any of these. And if you did get any value from this video, I really do appreciate you. Give it a thumbs up. Consider subscribing for more tool deal videos like this. And I'll see you in the next one. Crasher out.